Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we dive into this expert advisor breakdown, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, we are taking an objective look at an expert advisor called SuperGoldBot, SuperGoldBot Expert Advisor, which supports both MT4 and MT5. And this trading system is specifically designed to trade the gold pair, that is XAUUSD, on the 1 minute time frame, okay, using automated scalping logic. Over the next few minutes, we are just going to walk through the official website details, examine its features and trading logic, and analyze a historical backtest report to see how it performed over a multi-year period. So starting with the primary platform details, SuperGoldBot EA supports both MT4 and MT5, and it is priced at $399 for a full live account license, which includes setup assistance, unlimited account numbers, lifetime updates. All right. And, a 30-day money back guarantee. Now, according to the developer, the EA is engineered for both standard accounts and prop firm environments, requiring a minimum deposit starting from $100. All right, starting from $100 using 0.01 micro lot size. The vendor also mentions a 2-year verified track record. You can see that here, a 2-year verified track record on MyFX book, and it includes a built-in news filter intended to help avoid trading through high impact fundamental news releases. Okay, so looking into how the system actually operates, SuperGoldBot monitors price action specifically on the 1 minute time frame for XAUUSD. Okay, its core strategy focuses on identifying sweeping momentum during strong directional and volatile price movements. Then from a risk management perspective, there are a few explicit rules outlined by the developer. So there is the stop loss integration, whereby every trade is opened by the system using a defined stop loss to protect against heavy drawdown. Okay, and then there is the single position limit, whereby the system runs only on one open trade at a time, avoiding trade stacking or multiple position exposure. Okay, and then there is also the same day closing, whereby all trades are closed by 5 p.m. EST each day and are never rolled over into the next trading day. And then with respect to the trade frequency, the EA averages around 70 to 80 trades per month. Though the activity varies depending on market volatility and fundamental news event days. All right, so basically you can see here, this section actually shows the SuperGoldBot logic, how it works, why it works, and then info here about the guarantee and all of that. Okay, this time and all of that. Now let us turn our attention to the historical testing data provided. You can see here this results we actually provided here on the website. So this backtest was conducted on MetaTrader 5 using IC markets tick data on the XAUUSD M1 time frame spanning from January 1st, 2022 to June 17th, 2024, a period covering roughly 2.5 years. So the test was initialized with a $500 deposit, a $500 deposit at 1 ratio 500 leverage, and achieved 99% history quality across over 57 million ticks. Now, reviewing the historical chart distributions, we observe clear timing and session characteristics. For the trade timing, entry activity is heavily clustered around session overlaps, specifically between 15 o'clock and 17 o'clock server time. We can see that here in this graph, okay, aligning with peak US session liquidity and news volatility. Then with respect to the weekly distribution, trading activity remains steady across all weekdays, peaking slightly on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Now, with respect to the equity curve, the overall balance graph demonstrates a consistent upward trajectory over the 2.5-year testing window, punctuated by periodic drawdowns, that recovered back to new equity highs. Okay, now looking at the summary metrics from this historical report, the total trades and win rate shows that the EA executed 517 total trades over the period, achieving an overall win rate of 85.11%, which gives us 440 winning trades against 77 losing trades. Okay, the short trades saw an 82.47% win rate, while the long trades landed at 88.5% win rate. Now, with respect to the profit factor and payoff, it generated a total net profit of $11,869.9 with a profit factor of 1.92 and an expected payoff of $22.96 per trade. Okay, now talking about the drawdown characteristics, the maximum balance drawdown reached 28.1%, giving us a $1,469.75 drawdown, while the equity drawdown maximal sat at 32.32%. The recovery factor for the period came in at 7.01 with a Sharpe ratio of 9.69. Okay, now talking about the risk to reward profile, the average profit trade was $56.42 compared to an average loss trade of $165.07. This reflects a typical scalping risk profile where win rate is high, but occasional losing trades are larger in magnitude than average individual gains. Okay, so to wrap up, the SuperGoldBot EA for MT4 and MT5 provides a structured single trade scalping approach tailored exclusively to XAUUSD 1-minute volatility. Its fixed stop loss rule and daily trade cutoff at 5 p.m. EST offer clear, defined risk boundaries. However, as shown in the historical backtest, the strategy relies on a high win rate to balance a wider risk to reward ratio per trade. And as always, historical testing performance is strictly historical analysis and should never be viewed as a guarantee of future live performance. Actual results will vary depending on broker spreads, execution speed, slippage on gold, lot sizing, and market conditions. So if you are considering this EA, I recommend running your own extensive backtest and testing it thoroughly on a demo account first. So thank you for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.